What is hyaluronic acid? What it does? What happens during aging? And can you restore it? Everyone is using hyaluronic acid in creams, serums, fillers. But what is it actually? Is it just hydration? Or does it do something deeper? What is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid, or HA, is a naturally occurring molecule in your skin. It's not a protein like collagen. It's a glycosaminoglycan, a sugar molecule that binds water. 1 gram of hyaluronic acid can bind up to 6 liters of water. In the skin, HA maintains hydration, supports skin turgor, allows nutrient diffusion and helps maintain extracellular matrix structure. Think of collagen as the scaffolding, and hyaluronic acid as the cushion and water reservoir. What happens during aging? With aging, natural hyaluronic acid levels decline. But it's not just the amount, the quality and distribution change as well. As HA decreases, skin becomes drier. Fine surface lines appear. Skin looks dull. Elasticity reduces and barrier function weakens. This is why aging skin often looks crepey before it looks deeply wrinkled. UV exposure and inflammation also degrade hyaluronic acid faster. What speeds up hyaluronic acid loss? Sun exposure, chronic inflammation, smoking, barrier damage, over-exfoliation and aggressive skincare. Sometimes the problem isn't aging, it's overtreatment. Can you restore hyaluronic acid? Here's the key difference from collagen. Topical hyaluronic acid can improve surface hydration, but it does not rebuild dermal hyaluronic acid permanently. Topical HA improves short-term hydration, reduces transepidermal water loss, best when combined with moisturizer and works immediately, but temporarily. Injectable HA fillers with cross-linked hyaluronic acid restore volume, improve structural support, attract water with immediate effect. Fillers do not permanently restore natural hyaluronic acid production, but barrier repair can improve HA retention. Important clarification: hydration improves how skin looks today. Collagen determines how it ages long-term. Hyaluronic acid is about water balance and support, not structural scaffolding. In closing, hyaluronic acid is essential, but it's not magic. It doesn't stop aging. It supports skin health. The best results happen when hydration, collagen, and structure are treated together, intelligently. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share to support the channel.